In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Perplexity AI to break down complex mathematical formulas into simple, easy-to-understand language. I'll start by clicking into the search bar and typing in a request for the Pythagorean theorem. I'm asking the AI to explain it as if I'm a middle schooler, and to provide a practical example of how a construction worker might use it on the job. After clicking the search button, I'll wait just a moment for the AI to gather its sources and generate the response. As the text appears, I can see it defines the theorem as a rule for right triangles and uses the helpful analogy of a ladder leaning against a wall. It explains that the formula helps find missing side lengths and then dives into a specific example for a carpenter. It details the 3-4-5 method where measuring 3 feet and 4 feet along two lines helps you check if the diagonal is exactly 5 feet, ensuring the corner is perfectly square. Next, I'll move down to the follow-up box to try an even more technical formula. I'm typing in a request to break down the compound interest formula into plain English, using a simple $100 investment as my example. Once I hit send, Perplexity immediately starts defining the variables like principal, interest rate, and time. The result explains that compound interest is essentially your money growing on top of itself over and over again. The AI shows exactly how that initial $100 investment grows over 2 years. And it even provides a clever memory trick at the end to help me remember what each letter in the formula represents. This makes an intimidating equation feel much more accessible and practical. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.